Are you worried about weight loss or thinking twice about eating rice?
Plus, you might be worried whether you have enough time in the morning hours to extract starch from rice. Welcome to Supathya. Today, we are going to see how to cook rice in the pressure cooker itself and also remove the starch at the same time. Let's see how. Take 1 glass of rice and I am going to get it ready by washing it thoroughly now. Let us transfer this into a container for washing.
Wash the rice 2 or 3 times thoroughly and drain the water. This will help clean the rice well. Now transfer this washed rice into a big bowl. This is for 2 reasons. One is the rice would get enough space for getting cooked well and the starch to get removed from it.
For every glass of rice, I am going to add 5 glasses of water for the removal of starch. And I have also taken a big container so that the rice gets enough space for the starch to get cooked and come out.
Place the pressure cooker on the gas stove now. Add 3 glasses of water inside as shown in the video and place the container inside the cooker and on the gas stove. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and place the cooker in the high flame. Now wait for the steam to get accumulated and put the knob on the top. Now wait for 2 whistles and then simmer your gas stove and keep it for 5 minutes. Open the cooker now once the pressure settles and check the texture of the rice. If it needs little more cooking, then you can further put on the weight and cook it on simmer mode for another 3 to 5 minutes and then switch off the gas stove. Then drain the starch in the rice as shown in the video till the last drop by moving the grain with a spatula. Transfer the rice into a hot pack or a container. Now the starch-free rice is ready to serve.